Today, Coco Hitech will introduce to all of you a new product that is made by coconut fiber called Coir shade sail. Let's go to see how to turn a coconut husk to a Coir shade sail that can provide shade for human in everywhere in the world.
After coconut husk has been removed from coconut. Initially, coconut husk will be grinded by machine to extract coconut fiber and cocoa peat. Coir fiber is golden color after drying, and this can be exported to make a mattress or used to twist into yarn or rope to weave coir net or coir mat. This will be done by machine with the help of our worker. Spinning is the process of drawing out and twisting fibers to join them firmly together in a continuous thread or yarn. Weaving into a net. This is handmade period. Our worker will use hand loom and weave it into fixed size. The standard size come from 3 meters to 10 meters in width and length. For example, 3 meters 5 meters, 5 meters 6 meters, 6 meters 10 meter in, 6 meters 6 meters. The most popular shape come in triangle, rectangle and square. Coco Hitech use stainless steel anchor to mount it into the net. This will help the net to connect tightly with pole ABD mount stably from year to year. In order to save shipping cost for customer, we usually press the Coir shade sail into cubic bales and wrapped with PP. This will keep the Coir shade sail protected during multiple transit. Aesthetic appeal, usage period is from 3 to 5 years. Heat reduction. Easy to use. Cost effective. Not only used in Asia countries such as Korean, Japan, China, but also the Coir shade sails are widely preferred by European and American country.